Hi folks, welcome to Masterclass. Today I want to talk to you about pegs. Not so much these guys, everyone's familiar with the old bent metal style pegs that we use on ground like this, grassy areas, etc. What I want to talk to you about is sand pegs. I've actually seen a few instances of people that have set up on beaches, up in the dunes, etc. and not had the right pegs to peg down not only their tent, but in particular their awning or annex. And things have got windy, you get the afternoon sea breeze. Next thing you know, the awning's over the top of the camper and you've got bent poles. Well, these guys are the go. They come in a range of sizes and lengths, some with quite wide blades on them for very, very soft sand. You need to get these if you're going to go camping on the beach, sandy areas, and if you're going to head out into the desert. Sometimes the sands can be quite loose there as well, especially if it's a popular camping area. So put some in your kit if they're the destinations that you're going to. Have a look around at the various ones that are available. You don't necessarily need a peg this long. This is something I would use if I was camping on the beach in the middle of summer and I was getting 25, 30 to 40 kilometre an hour breezes coming in off the ocean. I would definitely use something like this. Ordinarily, you may even run 2 ropes off the one peg. So there you go, folks. Head down to your local camping store, grab yourself some sand pegs, and the next time you're camping on the beach, you won't be at risk of losing your awning. Even great for gazebos, that sort of things. For more great tips like this, head across and check out our masterclass on YouTube and follow us on Facebook so you'll see each one as we post it.